Okay, last problem, number 20. I have negative 4 plus 6 minus 12 divided by negative 3 minus negative 2 plus the absolute value of negative 4 plus negative 8 minus 132. There were quite a few of us who did not take the minus 132 into account. I don't know if you might have thought it was part of the standards or something, but this was a part of the problem. So once you did all this, then you needed to subtract 132. So first things first, you rewrite the problem so that you can actually see these groups within the fraction. And GEMDAS tells us that you take care of the grouping symbols before you do anything else. Even though I don't have any brackets around this, actually I do have brackets around this, but I did not write the brackets around here. I know that this is a group because it's in the numerator spot. And I know that all of this goes in my denominator spot because it's actually grouped in brackets. I didn't include any of this in my denominator because it's not within the bracket set. I just brought the rest of this down in my problem. So before I can take care of any of this, I need to simplify the numerator and then simplify the denominator. Negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2, and 2 minus 12 gives us negative 10, which is why I have that here. And then negative 3 minus negative 2, whenever I see subtraction, that's the same as adding the opposite. So this is really negative 3 plus positive 2, which gives me negative 1. And then I bring down the rest of my problem. I went ahead and simplified this group and brought it down. Negative 4 plus negative 8 gives me negative 12. And again, it's still, we're asking for the absolute value. Whenever you see these stand-up bars like this, we're talking about absolute value. We know that's not parentheses because parentheses have a curve. These are not brackets because these are the brackets. These were absolute value bars. And then I brought down my minus 132. Or here, brought down the minus 132. So next thing is, this is still a group. I need to simplify this. I need the absolute value of negative 12, which is positive 12. And then negative 10 divided by negative 1 gives me positive 10, bringing down the rest of my problem. 10 plus 12 minus 132. 10 plus 12 is 22 minus 132, and that gives me negative 110.